student. Today I am going to discuss with you the story The Tiger King. So students, although I have discussed this story in the earlier videos and question and answer related to the board exam, I have already discussed. But today, with the help of extra marks, I am going to revise the whole chapter in a very few minutes and hope that it will improve your understanding about the chapter. To students, let's start.
The Tiger King. Objectives. By the end of this smart learning module, the students shall be able to understand, interpret, evaluate, and respond to the following features in the story, The Tiger King. About the author, theme, setting, characterization. Critically appreciate the writer's style of writing. Understand the effectiveness of the style of narration. Module. Introduction. About the author. Theme. Summary. Critical appreciation. Characterization. Glossary. The story is about a child who is prophesied to be a warrior, having indomitable courage, a champion of champions, yet would meet his death because of a tiger. The child grows to be a king, eventually killing all the tigers in his land single-handedly. However, how this brave but arrogant king meets his death has been humorously narrated by Kalki. It is a sharp criticism of people in power.
Student, the meaning of indomitable means?
Indomitable.
Indomitable means impossible to subdue, या overcome or defeat. Synonyms: insurmountable, invincible, invulnerable, unbeatable, unconquerable, unsurpassable, unshakable.
About the author, Ramaswamy Iyer Krishnamurthy, 9th September 1899 to 5th December 1954. Known by his pen name Kalki, was a Tamil writer, journalist and poet. He was known for his witty writings which were a comment on human nature in general. He won the Sahitya Akademi Award posthumously in 1956. He died at the age of 55 from tuberculosis.
Okay, student, the meaning of the posthumously is
Posthumously.
after the death. यानी कि that means कि occurring after a person's death.
The story highlights the arrogance of those in power. It shows how people can misuse their power and are always surrounded by sycophants. It also criticizes the indiscriminate killing of innocent animals without reason.
Okay, student, the meaning of the sycophants. Sycophancy means?
Sycophancy.
Sycophancy means कि behavior in which someone praises powerful or rich people in a way that is not sincere, usually to get some advantage from them. So that means कि चापलूसी करना, sycophancy means just flattery, adulation, fawning, servility, etc.
The story begins with the description of the Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram, who was infamously known as the Tiger King. His actual name was Sir Jilani Jung Bahadur. At his birth, the astrologer made a prediction. The child will grow up to become the warrior of warriors, hero of heroes, champion of champions. But the child born under this star will one day have to meet its death. Everyone heard a voice. To their surprise, it was coming from the 10-day-old child.
O wise prophets, it was I who spoke. O All those who are born will one day have to die. We don't need your predictions to know that. There would be some sense in it if you could tell us the manner of that death.
The prince was born in the hour of the bull. The bull and the tiger are enemies. Therefore, death comes from the tiger.
Let tigers beware.
The boy grew up to be taller and stronger every day and was brought up with English mannerisms. At the age of 20, he was crowned the king. He started out on a tiger hunt, calling it an act of self-defense. The Maharaja was thrilled beyond measure on killing his first tiger. He then called for the chief astrologer. Oh, Your Majesty may kill 99 tigers in exactly the same manner, but... But what? Speak without fear. But you must be very careful with the 100th tiger. What if the 100th tiger were also killed? Tear up all my books on astrology, set fire to them, and I shall cut off my tuft, crop my hair, and become an insurance agent. The Maharaja banned tiger hunting by anyone except him. A proclamation was issued that if anyone dared to fling even a stone at a tiger, all his property would be confiscated. The king vowed to attend to all other matters only after killing 100 tigers.
Okay, student, the meaning of the proclamation means?
Proclamation.
Proclamation means होता है decree, declaration, pronouncement, enunciation, edict, or promulgation, pronouncement.
Confiscate.
Confiscate means कि take or seize someone's property with authority as a punishment. कि punishment के तौर पे किसी की ज़मीन को ज़ब्त कर लेना. Okay, now next.
10 years, the king was able to kill 70 tigers. And then gradually, the tiger population became extinct in the forests of Pratibandhapuram. One day, the king expressed his wish to marry a girl in the royal family of a state with a large tiger population. The Diwan followed his orders and found a girl for him to marry. The king killed 5 or 6 tigers each time he visited his father-in-law. This way, he managed to kill 99 tigers. By now, his father-in-law's kingdom was also left with no tigers. The king grew furious day by day. One day, he ordered the Diwan to double the land tax. The people will become discontented. Then our state will fall a prey to the Indian National Congress. The king, who was already angry, asked the Diwan to resign from his post. The Diwan was convinced that if he did not find a tiger soon for the king to kill, the repercussions would be catastrophic.
Repercussions means students.
Repercussion.
Repercussions. That means कि an unintended consequence of an event or action, especially an unwelcome one. An unintended consequence of an event or action, especially an unwelcome one. So, consequence, result, effort, effect, outcome, impact, or there are many meanings.
The tiger brought from the People's Park in Madras. At midnight, the Diwan and his wife dragged the tiger to the car and drove straight to the forest where the king was hunting. When they reached the forest, the tiger refused to come out of the car. They made great efforts to haul the beast out of the car and push it down to the ground. The next day, the same tiger wandered into the Maharaja's presence. The king aimed at it and killed the tiger.
Okay, student, haul means?
Haul.
Haul means होता है haul, to pull some heavy thing slowly and with difficulty. That is called haul.
My vow has been fulfilled. He ordered a huge procession to the capital with the tiger and left. After he left, the hunters observed that the tiger was not dead. They did not want to displease the king and hence killed the tiger themselves. Then, as commanded, they took the tiger in procession to the capital and buried it. A few days later, it was the king's son's third birthday. The king wished to present a special gift to his son as he had neglected his family and subjects completely for a long time now. He went to the shopping center in Pratibandhapuram and found a wooden tiger in a toy shop. The wooden tiger cost only 2 annas and a quarter, but the shopkeeper knew that if he quoted such a low price to the king, he would be punished under the rules of the emergency. He thus sold it for 300 rupees. Your offering to the crown prince on his birthday. On that day, the king and his son played with the wooden tiger. It had been carved by an unskilled carpenter. Its surface was rough. Tiny slivers of wood stood up like quills all over it. One of those slivers pierced the king's right hand. He pulled it out with his left hand and continued to play with the prince. The next day, his arm got infected and developed a suppurating sore spreading all over the arm.
Students, slivers means
Sliver.
कि a small, thin, narrow piece of something cut or split of a large pieces. You can say, in other words, splinter, shard, shiver, chip, flake, shred, scrap, slither, saving or bit.
3 famous surgeons were brought in from Madras. They operated on the king after a discussion. After the operation, they came out and said that the operation was successful. The king was dead. In this manner, the 100th tiger took its final revenge on the Tiger King. Appreciate. Constantly surrounded by flatterers. Critical appreciation. The story deals with the theme of court politics and the general attitude of those in power towards innocent human beings and animals. The Tiger King was not interested in the welfare of his subjects. Instead, he wanted to kill all the tigers in his kingdom for the fear of death. However, a strong warrior, he still was afraid to die. He was constantly surrounded by flatterers who took advantage of the situation in order to get promoted. The king stopped thinking about managing the affairs of his kingdom, family, and focused single-mindedly on the pursuit of hunting and killing tigers. However, his fate depended on the 100th tiger he thought he had killed. The irony lies in the fact that the king got killed by a crudely made wooden tiger. It seems that even nature took its revenge on the killing of innocent wild animals. Effectively is a pun on the king who killed 99 tigers and got killed by the 100th tiger, which in turn was not a living one but a wooden toy. The surgeon's announcement about the operation being successful seems to be ironical. The surgeons were supposed to announce it as a bad news. Instead, they called it successful. Was the king's death a good news for the people of Pratibandhapuram? Characterization: The Tiger King. The Tiger King's actual name was Sarjilani Jung Bahadur. He was the Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram. As a child, it was foretold by astrologers that his death would be caused by a tiger. Because of this fear, the king decided to kill all the tigers in his kingdom. He married a girl from a state with a large tiger population. However, the astrologer told him that even though he may kill 99 tigers, his death would be caused by the 100th tiger. The king was a short-tempered person. In his anger, he increased the land tax and commanded his people to find the 100th tiger from anywhere. His divan at last found a tiger. The king shot at it but unknowingly couldn't kill the tiger. Unaware of this, while playing with his son and the new wooden toy, the slivers pricked him and he died due to the infection. Hence, the 100th tiger did cause his death, but it was not a live one. The king was punished for killing 100 innocent tigers. 1. The Diwan was the king's minister who was always at his beck and call. He had 2 wives and was a clever and opportunistic person. He knew that if he wished to gain a special position with the king, he would have to find a tiger for him, and he did.
Okay, students, I come to the glossary and what the a few meanings which are important. So,
Imperative.
imperative. Imperative means ki extremely important or urgent. Synonyms: crucial, vital, decisive, essential, critical, permanently. Now, next.
Stupefaction.
Stupefaction. Stupefaction means ki extremely important or urgent.
Enunciate.
Enunciate. Enunciate means to pronounce words or parts of words clearly. Here, articulate, pronounce, utter or vocalize. Enunciate means ki extremely important or urgent. Synonym: crucial, vital, decisive, essential, critical.
Enunciate.
Enunciate means to pronounce words or parts of words, or you can say in other words, articulate, pronounce, utter, vocalize.
Rife.
Rife means students of something unpleasant, very common or frequent, something that happens a lot. Synonyms: widespread, omnipresent. Rife means student to pronounce words or parts of words clearly. Next,
Droll.
droll, a slow way of speaking in which the vowel sounds are made longer and words are not separated clearly.
Tuft.
Tuft. Tuft means student ki a bunch of threads, grass, hair, etc. held or growing together at the base. Clump, bunch, knot, cluster, the sock, the fate are all these meaning of the words tuft. या किसी के सर में चोटी होती है ना, उसे भी कहते हैं tuft. Okay, incoherent.
Incoherent.
Incoherent means students in a way that is not logical or clear. Yeah, unclear, confused, muddled, unintelligible, incomprehensible, disconnected.
Deliberation.
Deliberation means the student keep a careful weighing of the reasons for the against something, long and careful consideration or discussion. Synonyms: consideration, reflection, contemplation, cogitation, pondering, weighing up. Next, brandish.
Brandish.
Brandish, to wave something in the air in a threatening or excited way. Next, wary.
Wary.
Wary means alert, careful, cautious, chary, or circumspect. Next,
Wantonly.
wantonly means deliberately, intentionally, purposely. Okay, student, with this I conclude this video. I hope that you must have learned something from this video, and please give me the feedback if you are not able to understand anything from this chapter, so you can make a call to me and you can send WhatsApp messages. Thank you very much for listening and watching. Have a good day.